Hi there, today we are going to talk about how to manage comments on your website and how to avoid spam. Let's make your site look clean and professional. So let's get started. So first of all, what are comments? When someone visits to your blog post and want to say something like ask a question or share feedback, they use the comment section. It's a great way to connect with your audience. But sometimes people or bots post spammy or unrelated comments. That's why we want to avoid. To manage your comments, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see a tab called Comments. Click on that. Here you will see all comments people have left. Some may be approved, some pending, and some marked as spam. You can approve, reply, delete, or mark them as spam from here. So now we are set up some basic comment settings. Go to settings and click on discussion. Here you can control who can comment, whether a comment needs approval before showing up and more. Make sure to tick the box that says comment must be manually approved. That's why nothing gets posted without your permission. Now let's talk about spam. The best way to deal with spam is by using a free plugin. The most popular one is called Akismet Anti-Spam. You can find it by going to Plugins, Add New and search for Akismet. Install it, activate it and follow these simple steps. It will automatically filter out spammy comments for you. Once you activate the Akismet plugin, click on choose a plan. Here we will select the free plan and yes, the free plan works perfectly. Now choose personal plan which is completely free. You will see a price of $39. Just drag it all the way down to $0. Next, check all the boxes and click continue. Now you will need to enter your email address, country and zip code. Then click on continue to payment. Don't worry, it will not charge you. After that, click on complete payout. Once done, you will get your API key. Copy that API key, go back to your WordPress dashboard and choose manually enter an API key. Paste your API key there and click connect API key. For best performance, make sure to select all these options available in these settings, then click save changes. Now you are all set. This plugin helps you stay tension free. It automatically detects and blocks spam comments. If you want to turn off comments on a specific post or page, the process is same. Just open any post or page. For example, I will open the about page, go to the discussion section. If the box is unchecked or says comments disabled, it means comments are turned off. If you want to turn them on, simply check the box or select open or allow comments and that's it. You are now ready to manage your WordPress comments like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Thanks.